Hey YouTube, this is Matthias the Meerschaum Man coming to you today smoking my Dunhill Canadian Cumberland stem, and in it I am smoking 926, kind of. With that, kind of has to do with part of my video tonight, is not too long ago we had International Pipe Smoking Day. And one of the perks of IPSD is that we get to share a day together as pipe smokers who love this hobby. And it's just our day to do that together. But also, quite a few of the online tobacconists offer some deals. One of them being Pipes and Cigars. And you get a goodie bag with that. So I ordered enough to get the goodie bag. And I've been looking for a match to Dunhill 926, or 965 actually. I was wrong from the beginning. Not 926. It's actually about 1 a.m. here in Cleveland. Had my last meeting tonight before my ordination on Sunday. And came home and poured over some more information, some more reading, in light of some discussion this evening. And it was good, a good night. So I'm actually smoking 965 match in my Dunhill Cumberland. So I got a package. That's the first part of tonight from Pipes and Cigars, and I opened it up to show you some of the goodies from the IPSD sale. I got, this says 11 ounces. I ordered a pound of match 965, but they apparently didn't have a whole pound, so they sent me 11 ounces with 5 ounces on back order. But this is a pretty big bag already, and so that's what I have loaded in here tonight. I wanted to give it a shot tonight, and it tastes fairly similar. I'm not a connoisseur of Dunhill tobacco. I've only smoked the actual Dunhill 965 just a few times, but it's good. Picked up some pipe cleaners, and that enabled me to get their goodie bag. And the goodie bag came some pipe cleaners and 3 samples of tobacco. The Bosphorus Cruise, a nice little Oriental. More Sutliff tobacco here. The Kentucky Planter tobacco, which is a soft and aromatic blend of all burleys, which is nice. And Charlemagne, Burley, Virginia, and Black Cavendish. So some more pipe cleaners, a couple samples of the Stokkebye's Golden Dansk, and then some matches, 860s, which is great. So nice little goodie bag from them, just for ordering on the day, which is great. The other reason I wanted to share with you this was I had the opportunity to stop by a shoe repair store today to pick up some leather dye in green. Looking for this for a little while, and I've been seeing all these fantastic, wonderful St. Patty's Day pipes that are out. I have an unfinished pipe here. I just like to see the grain. And can't really see it too well here. There's quite a bit of bird's eye. Some flame on the bottom. And a gold stem. I'm going to meet up with Jay from Briar Bird Pipes, and we're going to do this thing up right together on video in his shop. Green dye pipe with gold stem. It's going to be my personal St. Patty's Day golden Irish pipe. So I look forward to making that video with Jason and putting this pipe together to show you. I'm going to sit here and finish the rest of this Dunhill 965 match tobacco. Do a little light reading at 1:15 a.m. on a Thursday night when I should be in bed. But everybody have a good day. God bless. Remember to pray for me and our congregation this Sunday as we move forward with my ordination as an elder in our church. So, again, God bless. Take care. Cheers until next time.